Demystifying AI, a guide for everyone A. The buzzword of the modern era is more than just robots. It's about machines learning like humans, analyzing data, and making decisions. Think of it as a superpowered pattern detective, sorting photos, translating languages, or even creating art. That's why it matters. Convenience, AI fueled virtual assistant personalizes your entertainment and helps your car navigate smoothly. Transformation, AI is revolutionizing industries from streamlining processes to aiding medical diagnoses. Future potential, self driving cars, personalized healthcare, and efficient resource management are all on the horizon. Don't panic. Hollywood robots are far from reality. Today's AI assists, not replaces humans. New jobs will emerge as AI evolves, requiring us to adapt and collaborate. Use it wisely. As with any powerful tool, ethical considerations are crucial. We need to ensure fairness, avoid bias, and prioritize privacy. I is here to stay, but it's not something to fear. Understand it, embrace its potential, and work together to guide its future for the